Special Mission Aircraft Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global special mission aircraft market size will be $10,254.6 million in 2024. It will expand at the CAGR of 2.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America special mission aircraft market size of $4,101.84 million in 2024 and will rise at the CAGR of 0.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe special mission aircraft market size of $3,076.38 million. Asia Pacific special mission aircraft market size of $2,358.56 million in 2024 and will rise at the CAGR of 4.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America special mission aircraft market size of $512.73 million in the year 2024 and will rise at a CAGR of 1.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa special mission aircraft market size of $205.09 million in 2024 and will rise at a CAGR of 2.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.